Hey guys, a little bit of news, hot off the press. Bumped into this chap, Keith. Hello. We saw you last week at Beaver Creek, and we sort of ran through everything that you're doing at the moment. But today you've got a little bit more news for us. What can you tell us?
Well, on the back of the acquisition of Maritime Resources, really being that Newfoundland focused company, we're really happy to announce that Andrew Furey, the ex-premier of Newfoundland and Labrador, is joining our board.
Right.
And so, for us, that's a huge thing. We're really strengthening our board, really making a statement that, hey, we're here to stay.
So what's he bring to the table? I mean, I know he's involved, he must have been involved in a lot of areas.
He's a doctor by background, but, the political world, it doesn't matter how you, dice it. The political world and all those connections really do help a business, and that oversight, making sure that we advance in the right way. I mean, that's gold.
Well, kudos to
Pun
you.
intended.
Yeah, pun intended. Very good. The crux of the matter is. No, that's amazing, and that's.
And that's the first one.
How did that happen? That's
well,
incredible.
Actually, it's quite a funny story, because I had started in January, and as we're looking at how to build out the team, Andrew announced his retirement, his resignation as being premier. So I was at PDAC when he gave a short talk, and the minute he jumped off the stage, I went right to him and I said, "Now that you're out of a job, I've got one for you. Get in touch."
Nice.
So when he resigned, he got in touch.
Well, I think that's fantastic, because, as I say, advantageous on so many different levels, and not least of all the kind of community relations component and sort of understanding, I guess, what the region needs and wants.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Well done.
Yeah.
And
there's more.
There's more.
I sound like one of those infomercial salespeople, but wait, there's more. We're bringing on a CFO, Hashim Ahmed. He was the CFO at Mandalay. Right. Who just got taken out by Alkane. Yep. And so he's a CA by background and was the CFO at Mandalay, as I said, and prior to that, CFO at Jaguar. So lots of experience, lots of all the things we need in moving forward with the company. We'll be financing next year for the project, etc. So
it's relevant experience.
All relevant experience. Yeah. And there's more. We're promoting Rob Asabgi from study manager to chief operating officer. And Rob has, he's a solid mining engineer in many, I'll call it decades, he won't like that, but decades of experience. And we worked together more than 20 years ago. And since that, though, one of his last assignments was vice president of the Manitoba division for Hud Bay that brought Lawler into production. And so, good operator, good builder, really rounding out our team.
Okay, so we're building a building team.
A building and operating team.
Building and operating team, yeah, they're different things.
We're going into operation.
Yeah, and I think it's interesting, because it's kind of like growing up. I think we talked last time out about, this is, Found Gold 2.0, and it's growing up. Whereas one of my young members of the team said, there's a glow up happening.
A glow up. I like it.
Yes, and I think that basically means you're starting to look the part and feel the part, and it kind of shows intent and ambition for what you're trying to do there.
Well, there are steps that you got to take to go ahead and build a company, both an operating company, and you got to have the right team. And so we're pretty pleased with what we've been able to accomplish.
Right. Well, I'm going to let you go, because we grabbed you on the hoof here. You better go and tell this story to more people.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thanks.